Hey, it's time for a makeover. I've always wondered how I'd look bald. But I'm not finished yet. Okay, this is a different look. What's next? Oh, I know. When I said I wanted to try something different, I mean a new haircut. But I'll go with it. It's still me. Ooh. I think I need to see a dentist. I've got my eye on you. Now I need to find something to wear. This is so cozy! Woohoo! I love this! I want this to be perfect. I need Kissy Missy to know how much I love her. She's my dream girl. We would make the perfect couple. She's everything I've ever wanted. Just look at that beautiful fur. And that gorgeous smile. I never want to be without her. Wow, this place is looking great. Cupcakes. Huh? What was that? What did you say, Kissy Missy? I thought you were on a diet. You want me to make a special cake? Wow, what a great idea! I'll put them on this table. I'll arrange them like a love heart. Then fill in the middle. Now I need pink frosting. I'll pipe it over the top of the cupcakes. It's much easier doing it like this. I just need to cover the cupcakes. Wow, it's looking amazing! Just look at it. I'm not finished yet. I'll smooth out the frosting. My mouth is watering. There's something so relaxing about this. Now I'll press a fork into the edges. This will give some texture and detail. And it's also fun to do. It'll look like Kissy Missy's fur. I just want to kiss that mouth. I could get lost in those eyes. Wow, it looks just like her. It looks too good to eat. Knock knock. Someone's at the door. Maybe it's Kissy. Hello? Aw, no one's here. Ugh! Whoa! Kissy! What have I done? Everything will be okay. Come here. Why? What did I do to deserve this? It should have been me. Wait. Maybe I can fix this. I always keep a foot pump handy in case of emergencies. I'll put the valve in Kissy's mouth. Phew. This is tough. I'm getting a good workout. Kissy! You're okay! I was so worried. Never leave me. I have a surprise for you. You're gonna love it. Look, I decorated my room especially for you.
I love it! Come here!
I made a cake too. It's got your face on it.
It's like looking in a mirror, but I don't like cake.
That's so disappointing. Oh, I know. I have just the thing. A jar of creepy crawlies. If it's a bug and it's gross, it's in here. Help yourself.
Yummy!
You're so cute when you eat. Another day, another doll. Oh, hello. I'd like to pamper my girlfriend. Well, you're in the right place. Go right through. Come on, honey.
Lie down on the bench. This is so exciting!
I feel like I need this. Enjoy it, honey.
I can't wait!
Ooh, that tickles. I like that. Oh, yeah.
We'll start with a gentle head massage. This is a little weird. Let's try something else. This will remove any tension. You'll definitely feel the benefit. I feel like I'm baking a cake. I better get a good tip for this. We need to start screening clients.
What the?
Oh, that's the spot. Right there.
Okay.
Let's leave it there. This might feel a little strange.
Hey, I'll try anything once. I like this.
Let's clean those ears. I'm gonna need a bigger swab. This'll do the trick. Okay, stay still. I'm going in. This is gonna be gross. Huh? It's stuck. Ew! I'm gonna throw up.
Wow, such clean ears. Kissy? Ugh, that's pretty disgusting.
I've never seen anything like this.
We'll never talk about this.
It's time for a manicure.
Ooh, fancy. I've never had my nails buffed before. I could get used to this.
Okay, let's see those fingers. Are you kidding me? I hope that's nail polish. You have lovely, delicate feet. Let's get this over with. Come on! These are some tough nails! I need something a little more industrial. Now we're talking. Got it! I'm gonna pretend that didn't happen.
Look out!
Sorry. We've got some debris over here.
Ouch, that hurt. What is this? Is this Kissy's toenail? Yuck, that's bad.
Phew. This is exhausting. But we're done. I feel so pretty. A complimentary smoothie bowl, sir.
Ooh, I'm being spoiled. It smells delicious. I love this spa.
This is for you. I hunted the spiders myself. I'm definitely finding a new job. It looks yummy! May I?
Ooh, that's a big bug.
It's full of protein. Open wide. It's so tasty. All done?
Thank you, it was perfect.
Those bugs were so fresh.
Everyone wants silky smooth legs. This is gonna look great. Is that okay? It feels good, thanks. This'll be a good look for you.
Now we'll remove some of that excess hair. This might take some time. The razor must be dull. Fine, I'll use something else. This'll speed things up. I should have thought of this before. This isn't going to plan. When was the last time you waxed? Ouch! Is it over? Yeah. I think we're done here. Thanks.
That's us finished. Wow, I feel like a new man. I'm definitely doing this again.
What a lovely man. I quit. I'm in so much pain. My teeth hurt so much.
Don't be upset. Your teeth don't look that bad. Let me see them. Ugh! You just need to brush them. A lot. Give me a minute. I'll make a quick call. Hello, dentist? Right now. I need you.
I'll never have sparkling teeth.
Everything is gonna be okay. At last. The dentist. Hi. Is this the patient? It's Kissy. You need to help her. Come on. I've not got all day. Go. You don't want to make the dentist mad. He can get revenge in a real cruel way.
This won't hurt, right?
I'm promising nothing. Let's take off this bandage.
Whoa! I'm so dizzy.
Wow. Look at those teeth. They're awful. Let me have a look. Your breath stinks. Is that a scorpion? Yuck! Let's get rid of that. This might be my biggest challenge yet. Okay, time to fix those teeth. We'll start by removing the bugs. I think you need to work on your diet. Maybe try more vegetables. Ew! I can't believe I kissed her! Incoming! There's so many! It's like a plague. I'm on a roll. Keep him coming! Oh, this is a big one. Is this one moving? There's more? The jar's almost full. I think that's the last one. Phew. What else is in there? I need a closer look. Don't move and don't bite me. Open nice and wide. Keep going. There's something back there. I'll need some specialist tools. Here goes. I suppose I should set these little guys free. I'll do that later. That's not working. I'll do it manually. I think I've got it. Huh? A poppet? I love these. No, focus. Cool. I was wondering where that went. This is… Ow! What's this? Huggy Wuggy? Now that's just mean. Aw, this is so cute. Whoa! A chicken! Chew your food! Hello? Can anyone help me? It just keeps coming. Whoa! Now we're talking. Finders keepers. I wish all my patients were like you. Help me! We need to scrub those teeth. This'll give you lovely white teeth. It won't take long.
Wow! My teeth have never looked so good! I feel so pretty!
What do you think?
Miles? Where did he go? He was right here!
A little help?
Never mind, you look wonderful. My work here is done.
Thanks! I better find Miles. It's like he just vanished.
Help! Kissy! I'm down here!
Miles! There you are! I thought I'd lost you. Now where are those bugs? Selfie time! I can't get the right angle. I look terrible. I just want to be pretty. Mommy Longlegs never had this problem. Ah!
Hey, what's wrong?
Don't look at me, I'm ugly!
What?
Look, I'm a monster!
No you're not. You're perfect. I need to cheer Kissy up. And I think I know what to do. I need a quick outfit change. Whoa, I have no idea how I did that. I need this toilet paper and a blank canvas. I also have a bowl of water and red food coloring. First I'll take a length of toilet paper. Then I'll scrunch it into a ball. That's the perfect size. Next I'll dip it into the bowl. The toilet paper will absorb the colored water. Whoa, it's like magic. I'll squeeze out the excess water. I don't want it to soak the canvas. That should do it. Now I can stick it to the canvas. I'll do the same with other balls of toilet paper. I'll keep doing it until I have the outline of a heart. I've almost finished this part. This is the last one. Aw, it's so romantic. But I'm gonna do a portrait of Kissy. I can use different colored water to create different shades. Then I just need to fill it in. Wow, it's a work of art. I can't wait to show Kissy. I made this for you. I hope you like it.
Whoa! It's me! And I look beautiful! Thanks, Miles!
Kissy? At least she's happy.
Woohoo! I belong in a gallery!
Who's cleaning up this mess? It's gonna be me, isn't it? She never thinks about me. My mom warned me about girls like her.
Lighten up, Miles!
They say love is blind, but it doesn't matter who you crush on. All that matters is you're happy. What romantic thing does your crush do for you? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos just like this one.